Stop throwing your hard-earned cash down the drain on overpriced home security. Because in 2026, securing your home shouldn't cost you an arm and a leg, or lock you into endless subscriptions. I've spent weeks sifting through the noise, pitting system against system, camera against camera, to bring you the definitive list of the best smart home security systems of 2026, specifically focusing on the budget options that actually deliver. Trust me, you're about to discover how to protect your home without breaking the bank. And stick around to the very end, because my top pick isn't just budget-friendly, it's revolutionary for its long-term savings, completely ditching those annoying monthly fees. Coming in at number 5, it's a familiar face in the smart home world, but not without its budget quirks. We're talking about the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. Its best features include seamless integration into the Google Home ecosystem, reliable performance, and excellent image quality that you'd expect from Google. This camera is perfect for Google Home users who want to expand their existing setup with outdoor monitoring, especially if they value a familiar interface. However, its one honest flaw is that to get the most out of features like continuous recording and intelligent alerts, you often need a Nest Aware subscription, which adds to the long-term cost and can impact your overall budget. Now, if you're willing to step up just a little for some serious spotlight power, then our number 4 spot is for you. The Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera. This beast delivers stunning 2K HDR video with a super wide 160-degree field of view, and that integrated spotlight isn't just for illumination, it's a serious deterrent. It's ideal for users who prioritize crystal clear video, active deterrence, and the flexibility of a wire-free setup, making it great for specific high-priority outdoor spots. The main drawback here is that while the camera itself offers a lot of value, maximizing its cloud storage and advanced features typically requires an Arlo Secure subscription, which means those recurring costs can sneak up on your budget if you're not careful. Arlo Pro 4 is fantastic if you need a standalone camera, but what if you want a complete system without the premium price tag? Our next pick delivers exactly that, with proven reliability. Sliding into number 3 is the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. Its standout features are its incredible ease of DIY installation, flexible professional monitoring options that aren't mandatory, and a wide array of sensors that are simple to add. This system is tailor-made for renters, first-time home security buyers, or anyone wanting a comprehensive, reliable, and straightforward system with the peace of mind of optional professional monitoring. Its one honest flaw? The base station isn't always as loud as some competitors' sirens, and full camera recording and some interactive features do require subscribing to one of their plans. SimpliSafe provides solid foundational security, but if you're looking for a system with even more pieces, more integration, and a massive community backing it, then you need to see our number 2 spot. Taking the runner-up position is the Ring Alarm 14-piece system. This kit is simply loaded, offering a base station, keypad, numerous contact sensors, motion detectors, and a range extender, all designed for easy DIY setup. Its huge strengths lie in its comprehensive coverage for larger homes, seamless integration with other Ring cameras and the broader Amazon ecosystem, and exceptionally affordable professional monitoring plans. This system is perfect for Amazon Echo users or anyone seeking a robust, expandable system that offers incredible value per sensor. The main downside can be that some users report occasional false alarms with its motion sensors, and you are pretty firmly locked into the Amazon ecosystem for the best experience. Ring Alarm gives you incredible coverage for your dollar, but what if I told you there's a camera option that not only offers incredible image quality but absolutely obliterates monthly fees, saving you hundreds, if not thousands, over the years? Prepare to be amazed. Our number 1 best budget smart home security option for 2026 is the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. The top features that make this an absolute winner are its stunning 4K resolution, solar charging for perpetual power on some models, and most importantly, local storage on the included home base, meaning zero subscription fees for core functionality. Plus, its Bionic Mind AI provides advanced facial recognition and incredibly accurate detection. This is the ultimate pick for budget-conscious users who demand high-quality video, smart AI, and simply refuse to pay recurring subscription fees. It's brilliant for a powerful standalone camera or for building a no-fee camera-centric security system. Now, its one honest flaw is that while it excels as a camera system solution, if you need a comprehensive alarm system with a full suite of door/window sensors and professional monitoring all from a single brand at this price point, you might need to supplement it with another budget system like Ring or SimpliSafe for a truly all-encompassing alarm solution. Alright, there you have it, the best smart home security systems of 2026 for budget-conscious homeowners and renters. Now, don't just sit there. The best time to secure your home is always right now, and I've made it super easy for you to grab these deals. For the absolute best, most up-to-date prices on every single one of these systems we talked about today, check the pinned comment and description right now. Those links are constantly updated to get you the best bang for your buck, so go snag them before the prices change. And hey, if this video saved you some cash and helped you protect your home, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments which system you're eyeing. Stay safe out there.